Hello everyone. Today we'll show you our EUS1600 testing system. This system can be connected in our 12 PSB injection pump test bench and other kinds of test benches. Next, let's see the system. Our EUS1600 EUI EUP test system can test EUI EUP. You can check the brand we have. We can check Bosch, Caterpillar, Cummins, Delphi, Detroit, Nanyue, Scania, Siemens, and Weight. Our database has 681 items for you to choose. Also, it can test common rail injector with all the brands such as Bosch, BYC, Caterpillar, and so on. Our database have 3,512 items. It can also test common rail injector part. It can test solenoid valve, full frequency pulse widths, and can test resistance and inductance, AHE armature stroke. It can also test HEUI injector. Our EUI 1600 EUI EUP test system, the most important point is that we have 3 special cables for cam speed and the BIP flow sensor, also for injector. For the cam speed cable, it can connect angle encode signal sensor. This one. It can also connect magnetic signal sensor and Hall signal sensor. Now, our engineer will show you how to connect the CAMBOX. This cable is to test BIP and flow sensor. This one is for flow sensor. This one is for BIP. This cable is for injector. Injector 1 and injector 2. We connect these 2 cables on this one to test the Volvo E3 4-pin EUI. And then connect this cable on the Volvo E3 4-pin EUI. We have 2 kinds of CAMBOX. This one is our new model CAMBOX. You can see these are the adapters and collectors and pushing rods. These are the test simulator suitable for this CAMBOX. This is the CAMBOX we are going to test today. These are the adapters and simulators for this CAMBOX. Next, our engineer will show you how to test this CAMBOX. First, to connect the oil tube for injector. This is oil supply. This one is oil return. Choose the correct EUI number on the system. It's Delphi E3 EUI. For each step, the cam speed should be the same as the test benches. You can check the oil quantity through the glass tube. Also adjust the cam speed. Adjust the cam speed the same as the test bench. oil quantity through glass tube. Now the test is finished.